wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Roar! Roar! Oh! Roar, kids! That means hi in lion speak. Hi, kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! Yay! It's story time! That's right, kids. It's story time, and can you guess who our story's about today? Roar! 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 Yeah, it's about a lion. Ooh, and it's about a teeny tiny mouse and a big giant lion. The lion and the mouse. Yep, that's our story today. The lion and the mouse. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a mighty lion. The lion was the king of the jungle. Yeah, did you guys know that? The lions are the kings of the jungle? That means that they're the biggest, meanest animal in the jungle. Roar! And the other animals are afraid of them, and they all hide when they see the lion. Oh, yeah. I like lions though. I like to see them in the zoo, and I like to see pictures of them running through the safari in the savannah. Oh yeah, all over the place. Okay. One day, the mighty lion was sound asleep in his den. A den is a cave that the lion sleeps in. Yeah. Okay, so it's their house. The lion was asleep in his house. There was a small little mouse with a squeaky little voice. She had lost her way, and in her fright she had scampered across the lion's huge paw. With a surprised roar, the lion awakened. "Who goes there?" said the lion. "Who disturbs my slumber? I am the mighty king of the jungle. I need my sleep." "Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Lion King. I didn't mean to step on your paw. I lost my way and I am so scared. I didn't mean to come into your house. Please, let me go. I am a small little mouse." Annoyed, the lion snapped his paw and grabbed the little mouse. "Oh, please, sir, I am just a tiny little mouse. I did not mean to come into your house." The lion was angry and said, "Why are you here? I want my sleep. I think I should eat you." "Oh, no, said the little mouse. "But I am so small. I'd be barely a snack." "I don't mind a snack," said the lion. "Snacks are quite good." I have to agree. Snacks are very tasty. I mean, I don't eat a mouse, but snacks are good, right? Yeah, I like snacks. Oh. "Snacks are quite good." But, oh, please, sir," the mouse squeaked. "I meant no harm. I know you could hurt me with a flick of your paw, but please let me go. If you do, I promise to do a good deed for you someday in turn." The lion smiled at the idea of such a tiny creature helping him. "I am the king of the jungle," he said. "What could you possibly do for me?" "I don't know, sir, but I will someday, you'll see." The lion smiled. He opened his hand. He let such a tiny creature go. He didn't mind. "Go your your way," he said. "Don't bother me again. I'm going back to sleep, and I don't want to be disturbed." So he went back to sleep. Later, months later, a long, long, long time later, that's what months are, a long time. Later, he was walking through the jungle. The lion, he strutted and strode. He stood there and looked over his land and all that he reigned over. "This is my land. I am the king of the jungle." And he thought back to the mouse. Oh, how funny that mouse was, thinking she could ever help me. Then he looked down below and saw some tasty food. So he leapt and he jumped and he ran through the jungle and he leapt over this and he leapt over that, and there was a rock, and then he climbed a tree and then he jumped out of the tree and then he had to run, and then he was caught in a rope net that hunters had set as a trap. The food got away and the lion was sad. Oh no, he turned this way and that way, becoming quite mad. "I am the lion, let me out of this trap." He became tangled, more tangled up than ever before. And he roared, roar, roar. And it was a sad roar, roar, because he had been caught. His roars echoed throughout the jungle. Angry roars, sad roars, everyone heard. And not far away, the little mouse. The little mouse heard too. Oh, said the little mouse, "my friend the lion must be in trouble." And she hurried, she scurried, going towards him, over trees, over ground. She ran and ran. "Don't worry," she told the lion when she saw he was trapped. "I'll help you." "Oh," said the lion. "How could you ever help me? I'm so big and I can't get out. What can you do? You can't help me out." But the little mouse smiled and said, "Yes, I can." And she showed her sharp teeth to the giant jungle king. "My little teeth are small, it's true, but they can do just as much as yours do." So with her little sharp teeth, she gnawed through the ropes. One by one, she broke through until the lion was free. So the lion escaped, and the mouse made good on her promise that day to repay the lion for sparing her life. And the lion and the mouse lay down in his den. They were the best of friends from that day on. Aw, guys, isn't that neat? Yeah, it's showing how whether you're big or you're small, you can still help someone. Yeah, that's right. Like, I'm very little, but sometimes my mom or my dad will ask for help and I can help them, you know? And just like us too, like Noah sometimes will ask me for help. Maybe if he wants to draw a flower, and maybe I'll ask for help if I want to know something about planets and space, because Noah knows a lot about that. Yeah. We all can help each other, huh? Yeah, I like that. That's a really nice book. Aw. Yay, I'm so glad we read that, guys. We learned that the lion of the jungle, the mighty lion, roar, and the teeny tiny mouse can be the best of friends because they both can do something for each other. Aw, so nice. Thank you guys for coming today. Thank you for joining me at Dream Again. I hope you have a good night. Sleep tight. Dream again. Yeah, dream again. Okay, I'm going to go to bed now. Night. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Roar. That's lion for goodbye. And me. That was mouse for good night. Sleep tight.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.